We out here, got that white. Got them swipes.
You got cheese?
Nah, say I got swipes. Listen, officer.
Bro, you just
Selling
said you had white. I don't
selling
want
Metro
fucking
cards,
Metro
officer.
card. Bro, like...
I don't want no problems, police. Like, you want me,
I'm
want
not
me to
a
leave?
fucking cop.
So you want coke?
Yeah.
You a fucking cop, yo.
No, I'm
You
not.
smell like a
What
fucking precinct,
the fuck
yo.
is wrong with you?
What's your name?
Maya.
Get the fuck out of here. Where you from?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? You a fucking cop, man. I don't got nothing.
Bro,
Let me see your mic.
I have a mic.
Let me see those again? God. Yo, you a cop, yo.
I'll do a line right in front of you.
You do a line in front of me?
I'll do a line off your fucking dick. I don't care.
Oh, shit, what? Listen, if anybody watching, Maya said she gonna do a line off my dick. She said it. She said it. The police officer, go ahead, do it.
We got him.
What? Shit, bitch, you.
Psych. I ain't even have to suck no dick tonight.